Good day, Sir Sazan. My topic is general types of research methods. Next, objectives. First, understand the importance of research methods or topics. Second, is to discuss other helpful methods to apply in future research. And third, to know what are the difference of qualitative and quantitative research. So, what is general types of research methods? There are varied types of research methods, or other authors would categorize research according to its approach, objective, purpose, or data. So, again, since each research study is unique, we might as well state the different types of research methods, or it would be now up to you to choose which these are applicable to your study. In research method for political science, in other research identities, quantitative and qualitative methods had purposes. The purpose number one may be basic, and the second is apply. Wherein next, basic research, also called pure theoretical research, conducted to increase general knowledge. Basic research is concerned in coming up with theories about phenomena and explains the reason behind an event that happened the way they happened. Example of basic research is study of the fossils of life forms existed on Earth million years ago. This study of fossil is characterized by an emphasis on theory building rather than an application of solutions or to real-life problem. Research is conducted to solve problems or to help researchers and political scientists understand past behavior in order to guide them in their attempts at predicting future behavior. So, research are concerned with developing theories about why something happened or casual relationship. They conduct research in order to predict its happening again against the future. Next, research studies can also be classified on the basis of the nature of inquiry or the objective purpose behind the conduct of the research. And these are exploratory and descriptive research. Exploratory research are conducted to resolve ambiguity, differing mainly in design from descriptive research. Exploratory research is used principally to gain a structure and rigorous research. So it will lead to some testable hypotheses. Exploratory research helps to determine the best research design, data collection, and methods in selection of subjects. And more formal approaches through in-depth interviews or focus group or project methods, case studies, or pilot studies. So that's are the example. Next is descriptive research. Descriptive research refers to research that provides an accurate portrayal of characteristics of particular individual, situation, or group. So it deals with everything that can be counted and studied, which has an impact on our lives of people it deals with. For example, the study could focus on finding the most frequent disease that affects the children of a town. The reader of the research will know that what to do to prevent that disease. Thus, more people will live a healthy life. As to process, these are next, qualitative and quantitative research. There are advantages and disadvantages. So, qualitative research. Qualitative research is a research dealing with a phenomena that are difficult or impossible to quantify mathematically, such as beliefs, meanings, attributes, and symbols. So, qualitative research aims to gather an in-depth understanding of human behavior and the reason that govern such behavior. Advantages. This type of research enable more complex aspects of personal experience to be studied fewer restriction or assumption are placed on the data to be collected. So advantages of qualitative research is it is good for exploratory research and hypothesis generation, where those participants are able to provide information in their own words and in their own way. Disadvantages, it is more difficult to determine the validity and reliability of linguistic data. So it is open-ended question can sometimes create lots of data which can take a long time to analyze and time consuming. Next. Next is quantitative research. So quantitative research refers to the systematic empirical investigation of any phenomena via statistical, mathematical, or computational techniques. So quantitative research is generally done using scientific methods. For example, by the development of instruments and methods for measurement, experimental control and manipulation of variables, collection, empirical data, or modeling the evaluation of results. So what are the advantages? This type of research enable more complex aspect of personal experience to be studied. Fewer restriction or assumption are placed on the data to be collected. So quantitative research can be used to test hypotheses in experiments because of its ability to measure the data using statistics. And the disadvantages is the main disadvantage of quantitative research is that the content of the study or experiment is ignored. So researcher uses an instrument to measure the variable in the study. A research is a tool for observing, measuring, or documenting quantitative data. So these are the survey questionnaires, test, checklist used to be observed as student teacher's behavior. So next, either action research and fundamental or basic or pure research will be discussed to other reporter. So that's all. Thank you, Sir Sazan. And my name again is Louis J. B. Apilan, Bachelor in Mechanical Engineering, first year college. That's all. Thank you.